Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now. Put on nitrile gloves, goggles, and an N95 because dust and reagents matter. Once done, open the kit and confirm expiry and all components are present. This avoids wasted samples. Next, ventilate and clear the area of people and pets. Make a small scrape or expose paint layers where you suspect lead. This ensures the reagent contacts fresh paint. Make sure to label each spot immediately so you don't mix results later. This prevents confusion. You apply the reagent precisely. Depress the swab or dropper and cover the exposed paint evenly because uneven application gives false readings. Once applied, start your stopwatch. Most kits require 30 seconds up to 10 minutes. Follow the kit timing exactly for reliable chemistry. While waiting, test another layer or a non-suspect control patch so you can compare colors. Make sure to work one sample at a time to avoid cross-contamination, and record the time and spot ID as you go. You finish by matching the reacted color to the kit chart. Read at the specified time and record the closest match, because timing affects intensity. Once interpreted, seal and dispose of used swabs and reagent containers exactly as the kit instructs, then wash hands and clean the area with soap. If the result is ambiguous or you have layered paints, retest an adjacent spot or arrange a professional XRF or lab analysis for definitive confirmation. This troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.